Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we will talk about XSS attacks and how we can prevent our website from it. So, XSS payload, what XSS stands for is like cross site scripting. So, in this, what this attacks in this attack, the hacker really does is like it will enter malicious code in your platform and your website, and that will be sitting on your database, and then whenever it goes to the other users, it will execute itself and get the private datas of the users, like authentications token, or maybe also convert the attacker to the admin, right? So how does it works? So first of all, any public websites if we look very popular, like YouTube, let's say Amazon, okay, on Flipkart, e-commerce sites, okay. If you see that website, like there is a one product page. If you go to a product page, okay, suppose you like the shoes and you go to the shoe product page, and then you found that there are multiple of reviews. You scroll to the reviews and go, you were just checking what other reviews saying, so that you can make on that decision you can make purchase or not, okay. Now what happens is like there are 10,000 of reviews suppose in one product, and any one of that product can one of that review can be a malicious comment by the hacker which is trying to enter the system. So what the hacker will do is, so suppose if you let me give you example. Suppose this is your demo, this is a demo project. I've been created with the help of the AI, and this is your malicious payload, okay, which is entered by the user, the hacker. And you can see first one is the text only, but if you see the body part where there is check this picture, and there is image tag and src and on error, there is a script being executed with this alert document.cookie, okay. And now what this mean is like eventually image src is equal to x, and we will not get any image, okay. And then on error will be executing because of the error, and it will be executing this script, okay, on any browser wherever it is rendered, okay. So how does this work, like so what happens is like whenever user the attacker hackers gives this payload, the server doesn't, in normal case where there is no security layer added, okay, where the server process this data and directly store it in the database. That malicious code is already sitting in the database, and in many cases it can be a SQL query or anything. Just for this example I've given in the JavaScript example, okay. JavaScript, so database can get be executed, any event, any query can be fired, okay, with the malicious code. And also that malicious code is sitting on the server, and it is fetched by the server when the client is asking for suppose lots of other users are viewing the same product page. Client will render the product page and the comments, okay, but in the comment it will see there is a script and it will execute it. So while executing it, it will, whatever the script has to play the role, it will play the role and fetch the session token, or like authentication token of the client, and will pass into the hacker server, like depends on how well it is designed, okay. It can be SQL query also, or server database query, where it can manipulate the database record. So this is like XSS attack, which is designed by the hacker to hack the system of yours website. And now how we can prevent this? So for there are two layers to it, how we can prevent this. So first layer is like whenever the payload is transferred to the server, the server should be capable to remove the malicious code, okay, from the server itself, and then store the clean data to the database, not any like malicious. And if the stored data is, then when whenever the other you clients are asking, the store data is getting, we are getting is the clean data, which will be in this case like pure review comments, not any malicious codes on. So there will be no execution on their client side, okay, on their browser. Also, there is a second layer to it, where we write client code in such a way that it will protect, it will make sure double sanitization is there. It should eliminate the any malicious code if uh, it has a capability to execute itself on this client code, client browser. Okay, so let's see a live example of this. And uh, so suppose this is the review title, and this is the body where there is an HTML tag image and there is an honor alert, and I submit this, and you can see there is no image tag coming over here because the server has stripped it out, and we are getting the same data. And suppose this is the access uh, alert access attack, and this is the script, and this is also done. And if you see this great product, and we don't see any HTML over here and any script tag over here, so it is been ripped by the removed by the server itself. So if you see, this is the other command where is there is a bold, italic, okay. There are some and there is some example like a link, but like if I do this, you will see this, okay. Yeah, it has stripped the anchor tag, and it's just kept the red full specs, okay. And it has kept the strong and italic. So now let's review the code. And this code is generated by the help of the AI tools. So because I don't want to keep it a tutorial where I'm like coding everything, um, it will make the video length very long and short, because of these AI tools we are already used to, means like we know AI tools will generate more good code compared to the us, okay. So now coming to the logic part, where we can see there is a fetch reviews. It is just fetching the reviews from this API, okay. Fetch API, it's a get API. Now we need to come to the part where a form is submitted, and this is handle form submit, and there is a value title, and title is also been setted, okay. And there is a value for content HTML, and set content HTML is also been done here, okay. Now coming to this handle submit part, where a form is submitted, and the set title all are completely blank here, because the title and content HTML has been part of the body, okay. They are been posted to this API. This is post API. So now we go to the backend. This is the same post API, and we see the request body here, okay. And we are using this library to sanitize this, which is isomorphic DOM purify. There is DOM purify, okay. And it will sanitize the parse content HTML. So whatever the raw comment that the user has been inputted will be checked here, and we'll see these allowed tags. These are all the allowed tags, okay. And what are the allowed attributes that are dependent, okay, here. And this is what cleaning of the raw data looks like in the server side, okay. And coming to the front end, uh, we need to see the comment section part. And here we can see this all before this reviews are been rendered. This is the second level of defense, okay, where DOM purify, again that same library is been used here also in the front end to sanitize the HTML, the whatever response has come from the server, so it does not also accidentally execute any like script, okay. this is uh, all the allowed text. So this is the way, like how this attack we can successfully, like stop this attack from our website. So you can see this, and yeah, that's it from the like from XSS payload security part. Okay, and thank you for watching.